guys, and welcome to another sketch with me video. So today we are going to do a sketchbook doodle using pencil crayons. Apologizing for my voice, it might not sound very fresh because I'm having probably a throat infection or something. So sorry for that. Let's get started right away. So as you can see, my sketch is already done, like the basic one. So for this spread, let me see, where is it? Yeah, these are the pencils that I'm going to use. This is a set of 48 colors pencil crayons, full length, triangle pencils. I bought them like super new, so I need time to get hang of it. Okay, so for this spread I am drawing my OC Toshio. For the people who are new to my channel, Toshio is my OC. He's a 23-year-old Japanese boy and he's poet by profession. He have this blue hair and usually wears a pink turquoise, but since it's kind of a summer come monsoon kind of a weather here, I decided to give him more of a summer clothes here. So first I actually started with the skin color, but then I realized that my pencil graphite was getting a lot of smudges due to the crayons, so I decided to go for the line art first. So you can see me going like back and forth with line art and again the pencil crayon, again the line art, because I was really indecisive. I couldn't think that what I should do. When I was filming this video, it was still our finals going on in the uni, so I was pretty stressed to begin with. I would say for this one I am not very happy with the outcome. It could have been better in like a lot of places, but just because the sake of this video I had to do something, so I just got that. I'm not of course very much satisfied again, and I was running out of time, so even though I did total five sketches in the whole spread, I decided to color only 2 of them, the 2 biggest one. And of course this is the spread which I'm almost halfway through the sketchbook. I decided to do that for all of my sketchbooks, so it gives me like a tinge of motivation that yay, you're halfway through, let's get going. So yeah, I thought I would do special something for my halfway through, but due to the time range and everything that has been going on, I could not do it. But now that the editing time that I'm editing right now my finals are over and I have plenty of free time in my hand, so hopefully there are going to be a lot of video coming up more frequently rather than a last few weeks. I barely uploaded like 1 video per week. It also like I was running out so much time that it was really nearly impossible for me to like film, edit, and I could not concentrate properly on making portraits. That was also one of the issues, but hopefully it will get better. Also, another reason that I chose to color only these 2 are because this will give the page to more of a visual appeal in my vision or in my point. I don't like things that are too perfect or overly perfect. A little bit of messy or effortlessness gives the vibe, like that's the vibe for me. So this is another reason that I decided not to color the rest of it. Now as I started applying the skin shades, I realized that the pencils, they are pigmented but not enough to actually give me the opaque shade. I think all of the pencil crayons are like that. They don't give you the opaque shades. You have to just build them up by applying more and more layers. But as I am not very used to using these pencils, so it's going to take me a little bit of trial. You can see already that I'm struggling with the shadings. Of course there are going to be a huge difference with digital arts with these pencil crayons. Still got a few smudges around the nose, so I had to try out different browns to see which one exactly goes with his skin tone. Here his skin tone became a little bit more of a warm yellowish type because of the yellow color that I used. It turned out to be more warmer than I thought, but anyways, I had to work with it. So yeah, here I did his like neck thingy, and after adding the eyes, I think he looks a little bit more alive, more of a human. Yeah, so here I'm just adding like building up the color, adding a little bit of blush so that will give him some dimensions of his face. Sorry if you can see some noises in the background, it's my parents. They're like watching some TV shows or web series, I don't know what, but it's just way too loud. Sorry for that. But if you can't hear, maybe it's just me, I can hear. But anyways, okay, so going to the hair. So I'm adding the blue hair that he have using 2 different shades of blue. I don't know how much it's visible on camera, but the color was pretty streaks or the patchy, you can see the lines or the streaks of the pencil, which don't make me satisfied at all. I don't like too much textures. So here at this point my hand was hurting so much because we have to write and study a lot. I have to use my hands a lot throughout the week, so my hands were hurting. I was taking a little bit of break and then again working. I'm trying my best to cut off those long waiting times where I'm literally doing nothing but resting. One thing also, I felt like I'm getting more used to of doing voiceovers, like not very yet, but getting kind of confident on talking with you all. In the beginning I was not really used to listening to my own voice, and it used to cringe me a lot, but now I think I am getting there. How to say that? Yeah, I think you can also, if you're seeing my video from very beginning, I think you can also hear a little bit of more confident than before. Now I'm doing his beige sweater, which turned out in fact very, very patchy. I didn't like that at all, but after coloring I realized that it didn't go nearest to my liking. Now I'm using a black marker and just doing the border lines or line arts. There are a lot of artists who starts with line art, like after doing the sketches they do the line art, then cleans up, and for me the final line art is at the end of every sketch. I think that's what helps me to do. What you guys like to do? Do you start with your line arts like final work, or do you do that after like me? Let me know in the comments below. I really enjoy making this kind of videos, like sped up footage of me. It also helps me to see the room of improvements or anything that I need to change up or anything like that. So if you guys enjoy like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. That really helps me. And I'm trying my best to put up content so you guys can enjoy watching. I also enjoy making them the same way. So yeah, don't forget to support my little family here, YouTube family that I'm trying to make. Also, I would say thank you for 4.6k on Instagram. It really means a lot. When I started Instagram, I never thought that I would get this amount of response. So absolutely appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, so here I am doing the next portrait with the hat. I suck at making hats, honestly. Like this, I don't know what is this. I have to practice drawing accessories more, because portraits, it's been a while since that I'm drawing portraits, but the accessories, that makes them interesting. So I really need to try that on. Here again I'm using the same marker, the black marker, to add the definitions, to clean up the lines, I added his glasses. I told you all that his glasses are also like fake, they're not prescription glasses or anything, so you might see him with or without them. So I just checked flipping the pages if we have any color bleeds from the marker. Now I'm using more of a thicker marker to get his black hat done. I don't know why I left the triangle thingy up there, but I filled that up later, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, I decided to fill that up, but I don't know what I did there. But anyways, I edited the hat a lot later, because this one, I don't know, it looks like a weird UFO thingy on top of his head. I really need to work on that. Again, a very kind of a patchy, what do you call, the blazer or the overcoat. I worked a lot on the hat in the future one. I removed the extra line, so it looks kind of more of a bearable, but still not there yet. You can see like I'm literally struggling with the hat here. Now I'm writing the quote of the day, that is halfway of the sketchbook. So yeah, this is the actual motive of doing the spread. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, comment down below your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.